ya wa ya yi bi fremu ya fa bi so nhyiemu ana ye beto adwasa maame bi a waga na mamu anum a ne kunu ayo mampani atwam akọ a ye frɛ no ɛyɛ Konadu Rawlings waka enchini egu anase twa nani ahwe ne bankum na busuafo asem yi ba ye na ɛyɛ are wo sem yi pa bi sɛ na ɔyɛ ɔmo yɛ akoko dufo ɔmo yɛ mma ɔmo waga na mamu anum na wemu ana ɛyɛ court waga na mamu anum ɛde ɛyɛ letter de apakoma hospital kesi waga na mamu anum ayɛ kyerɛ sɛ hɔ na maame no daade bankum ɛso no ɔmo yɛ ɛyɛ report bi a yɛbɛka no poto kasa bi sɛ ɛyɛ autopsy report a fire maame Konadu Rawlings ho na ɛnɛ na court de autopsy report no aba beto aponten yɛ na mu nim sɛ Kintu TV de aba sei na yɛ bia na de mu na makɔ no makotie sɛ mu enkyere mu yɛ sɛ mbere no bɛkɔ ho ne akwakotie
patriotic party, because these NDC people will do every needs and ways to register this Togolese to make sure that they vote and they win election 2028 again. So NPP party should take note of this. Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumiaba, Medina Hanoma say, and Anopawe, Kokrodofono, Monfole Pejue.
Now, Mr. President,
Monlaike,
the blessings then Yankupon the Mao now better Kunyano soon. Or the Oba I say be see the cathedral no man. Because against all odds, and I'll buy this cathedral no man. The time catch us a time is eluding you. Every single second there baby that time no elude. Now Bible chere say Woma Yankupon show mo so munye bibi ma mo manye. The curses go from generation to generation. But the blessings goes from generation to generation.
But lawyer, sorry for butting it. Ebia, who said and said you say areas the global village Obibe call the internet no so. Na we could read near maybe why ebedena yen kiosa near man agina. 6th July, that was in the month of July. Obi a post to I think rightly so because and also Obosu Eka Hunse. Obe Redina or say President John Mahama has announced that the abandoned National Cathedral site will be converted into a National Cultural Convention Center. The new center will feature a multi-purpose arena, amphitheater, exhibition pavilions, and a creative economy hub. This forms part of his 24-hour economy plan to promote Ghana's culture, arts, sports, and tourism. So this is posted on the net. Yeah, National Cathedral, say, Ena, Omateni, and also Omo Ebedaneno, at the
well, yet say, be a council, be Sandino. Last time, Minister of Local Government and Religion, or say, no be so person done no be 250 million yes see they are done no higher so be see some unity be am say ho ne kwa story na fe they can no dey any ma foforo ya tete se bibiri enso president ni ntu na numutuo say be am pese me dey we anase me pidi we em say the time wa to the numutuo ani so ko na say okoka say yesterday forensic audit me dem na nya adwene that forensic audit ya wie e onto na numutuo say president when you have found to the new say okay baby I drew National Cathedral yet was near be antin who says okay
but last week what was so National Cathedral before the press says still issue no
making saying and the National Cathedral and board near a company limited by guarantee. In two person who go to cry and that's what person yes or court na coach so my bonibia no my new maybe and fata and send a court na ma kwan say yeah into most of the time and some na mo kekano and in your man no mu to go abonti hosano na asefim kakra ye nyina maybe dem menye adwuma ma ban but omo ya ban ni nyina omo ya adwuma because of emranti and omo ya adwuma ma the constitution nti ese amanfo di emra no so no who say okay a creature we say that here into say yes here dealing with him the president don't to the news office National Cathedral for now ye boni bi ana bibia koso ho enye ya o man attorney general nko court na nko ofa na asem koto na yenso yenfa ye answer enko ho ye wie na se ye ntuma ene se ne yako through, but behind all that no so no yes you see national cathedral no cathedral, it means something in the Bible. Baby ye sum nyame na national cathedral na yes it's a particular one apart from cathedral nanka say nyoma bebre Bible museum ene nyoma bebre o ha ebe bo Christopher ni omo person mo research omo bo omo nim Christo sum papa na person mo hu ko betima kwa research o it a monumental bi ayesi I been go for years and years, hundreds of years. Grab a corner. That's sure. They said you go England, then sa first world yeah. But we na monument. This is where cathedral. Yes, we King James Church. You see, yane. You find the abo. You see that's what you know on there. It's in a no moment there. Say na president say me the president na come because yatete. Say no na position. Say you find baby a baby see or the nyankopo sorry down. Yen find cultural center and the rest of it, which I be Wagana ha. And you won't need the rest. President Bitman developer to so develop on it here. And you said President Nankasa.
But as the lawyer for the cathedral, yeah, no, a woman almost invitable for investigations and answer it's because they clarify no be edin who last time we buy who said yes cathedral or I say yes support a monumental to be manunko waste but obi wo fie na what it is say you see ade no crowd one sha no mo a divert the aye before from say a war with internet here are you being because Deloitte and Tush I think I got it right.
Yes.
KPNG also washiship. And today what exactly?
So far as I'm concerned, who says you should be okay. Because it is even more than a forensic audit. We are in a very complicated operations. Years and years and years. Because complicated into by forensic audit. Maybe who say it is a way. Kiana kiasi epe bibi. Adwene ya na esi epe bibi. Nieka.
Give a dog a bad name and hang it.
And na just what would you about me? The sound me hunu mu personally or my personal opinion. But if it is not also there, then let us see quickly because now
court says you tell me
court but say what your state operatives, some of your investigations of corruption, disbursement, security and no.
Leader, what the constitution swear. Enti, I know your friend the Gazette, no more swear our National House of Chiefs. Or we didn't say. Na omu ya, ya chile omudin, our register him. Na 8 to 10 years, aya samodia, yen Gazette no, Brown Regional House of Chiefs, enti mi amuano, for 8 good years.